I'm Jerry Burrell, and we're here today up on Mount Baker introducing, reviewing, and refining some crevasse rescue skills here at camp. And just wanted to go through a few options for a progress capture here at your anchor on your crevasse rescue hauling system. There's a variety of options to use as a progress capture, and we'll go through a few of those today. So another kind of more classic style is using a friction hitch here as your ratchet or progress capture. And since we're using the thin 6mm hyperstatic rad line, I need a prusik or a friction hitch cord that is thin enough to work on this thin cord. So I've got a 5mm friction hitch cord here so that it works really well with this 6mm rad line. And so again, the rope has to go through the carabiner. And for this, you could use prusik, klemhiest are kind of going to be your main options. There's a couple other ones, but these are going to be common defaults. For this, I'm going to show klemhiest, which is a pretty normal, well-known friction hitch. Okay, so here's our climber's end pulling and it's holding. When we go to haul, it loosens. And then when we go to reset our system, it grabs again. One of the limitations, or one of the things to be aware of with this system, is the friction hitch can actually pull through your carabiner, and then when you go to release again, it causes it to bypass. And so something we can add to this to help tend our friction hitch is a non-locking carabiner. And we're actually going to clip both strands of the rope. So I've clipped both strands of the rope and then one strand of the klemhiest. And so now when we start to haul, that carabiner tends or blocks the friction hitch. Then when we go to reset our system, it grabs. So this little carabiner block helps to tend this and prevent it from pulling through the locking carabiner. Okay.